Now that we have the student repository and student service both fully tested, now we can go and learn about integration testing. So as I said before, unit testing is about the unit itself right here. So we test it in isolation. So you saw that we tested student repository in isolation, all of the methods. Then when we tested it within student service, right? So because here you can see that it's a private field for student service, we mock this interaction, which means that we also tested this student service in isolation. Now, integration testing is when we test our application as a whole. So you can see the boundaries here, right? So the purple boundaries. So basically, instead of testing the unit itself right here, we test the application as a whole. So what we do is we actually spin up the application, and then we make sure that the integration between all of the components within our application does work. So it means that we actually fire a request into the repository, making sure that the API layer is intact, and then letting the request flow through the system to make sure that it does indeed work. So we no longer need to mock student service nor student repository, because this is an integration test. So let's learn how to perform integration tests within our application.